Hi everyone, Phonics today. I said we were going to look at verse 6, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at, because yesterday we spoke about the word huge, and the word huge had a g in it, didn't it? And the g made the sound j. So I want us to have a look at today at some alternative sounds if you see a letter in a word, okay? So that's what we're going to do today. But before we do that, we're going to do our normal thing where we go through our sounds that we've learned so far, okay? A. I can't press it along. Try to let's make it bigger. So I say it, then you say it. A. E. Oi. Ow. I. Or. You. Or. What? Oo. O. A. E. I. O. You. And then we're back at our tricky words, aren't we? Let's have a look at these tricky words first. I say he, you say. I say her, you say. I say all, you say. I say was, you say. I say she, you say. I say we, you say. I say me, you say. I say, oh, where's it gone? I say they, you say. I say be, you say. I say are, you say. I say you, you say. Oh, you say. I say my, you say. Okay, so what I'm going to show you now is I am just going to show you some of the alternative sounds, okay? So we wouldn't normally look at it like this, but I'm just going to show you what word we're going to look at today. We are going to look at, I think we will look at this one here, the d, g, e. And can you see that there? It says giraffe. It doesn't say giraffe, does it? It says giraffe. So the alternative sound there at the beginning of that word is g, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back onto here and I am going to, we're going to have a look at the alternative sounds, okay? So I'm going to pull up a blank screen for this, okay? Let's get a blank screen ready. And we could, whilst you're waiting, could you write the word bridge? Bridge. 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 Mrs. Cochrane's going to write it as well. Oh, I nearly spilled my cup of coffee then. Wouldn't have been very good, would it? I wouldn't have been very happy with that. Bridge. I'm going to write what day it is as well today. It is Wednesday. Can you remember how Mrs. Cochrane says it when I'm writing Wednesday? I always go Wednesday. Wednesday. I'm going to write Wednesday. And I might write the j in the top corner as well, because that is the sound, the alternative sound that we're using, aren't we now? So we're going to write the word.
Talking to Mum?
I'm talking to my class. But they're not on the video like they were the other day on Zoom. Sorry. They're not in here in real life. Well, let me do this video. Right, bridge. fridge. Can you remember what Mrs. Cockram said? D, g, e. We'll look at the d, g, e. So write j in your top corner and d, g, e. D, g, e. Okay? So we know it's going to make that sound at the end. What about the word fridge? Fridge. Okay, let's look at the word fridge. R, I, j. But we're looking at the d, g, e, aren't we? Fridge. D, g, e. D, g, e. Sorry about that, Nora wanted to join in. Bridge, fridge, dodge. Dodge. So it's not got a j at the end, does it? It's not got a j. D, o, j. So it sounds like a j, but remember, we are using the alternative sound. Oh, I'm showing you the word there. We're using the alternative sound, which is there, okay? Dodge. Bridge. Fridge. Okay? Can we all now see if you come up with some other words with the alternative sound in it? And what we're going to do now is we're going to write a sentence with the alternative j sound in it. It's very tricky, spelling words and all of this, but you're all ready for it, I think. I think you're all ready for it. Okay, I'm going to write here, I want, this is a sentence that a lot of you probably say at school, want to play dodgeball. I want to play dodgeball. 6 words. We had 6 words in our sentence yesterday, didn't we? I want to play dodgeball. I'm going to let you write that now. And then you can read Mrs. Cockram's and read yours to see if it makes sense. So if you want to pause this video here while you write that, and I'd like you to underline the alternative sound that you've put in there so I can see that you know the alternative j sound. Can you underline that for me? I'm going to underline mine now. But pause this video now if you want, and then come back to me. Okay? I'm just going to read my sentence to check it makes sense. I want to play dodgeball. Well done, Mrs. Cockram. I am going to check I've got 6 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done, Mrs. Cockram. I'm going to check I've got a capital letter. Well done, Mrs. Cockram. You have got capital letter. Have I got a full stop? Well done, Mrs. Cockram. Your full stop is at the end of your sentence, which in the last word was ball, so I know I need a new full stop there. Have I got my finger spaces? Yes, my words are separated, aren't they? Once I've finished a word, I've put a space in between it and started my new word. Have I used the right alternative spelling for dodge? D-o-j, which is d-g-e. Well done, everybody. See if you can have a go now and come up with some different sentences with the j sound in it, which is spelled d-g-e. So we had fridge, bridge. I'm not sure if I can think of any other ones with d-g-e. 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 You could also try come up with some ones, you know, like giraffe and huge. That had the j sound in it, didn't it? So the j sound in a word could be a g, and it could be d, g, e. Can you come up with any others? So like huge. What was the other one that we said? Giraffe. Okay. And then we've got the d, g, e. So these both sound with a j, don't they? Okay, I'm going to let you all get on with that now today for your learning today, for our Wednesday's phonics lesson. If you're not doing this on Wednesday, don't worry, but make sure you're writing the day that you're doing this work, because we need to make sure we're always spelling the days of the week correctly too. That's something else we need to make sure we're doing. Okay. Have a lovely day, everybody, and see you later. Goodbye. See ya.